Hi everyone, how are you? I'm doing well. We're going to do a couple upcoming soon in the next couple of days is going to be 4th of July here in the United States where we celebrate our independence and shoot off a lot of fireworks. So I thought a fireworks inspired tangle might be fun. I found this one called Starzie by Texas Doxy Mama. Which is super easy to do. We're going to do a little circle with, make sure you save a little highlight. And then around the sides, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. Okay. Coming out from those dots, we're going to do a line and then a little dot, right? Like that. Then in between those, we're going to do a V shape. And then in between those, where's number 5? Here. In between those, we come out with 1, 2, 3, and another circle. So that creates our little starburst-like pattern. That's that one. And then the other one I wanted to do was this one, which is called Deboop. Oops. I don't like the way Pinterest works, but that's okay. It's just me. It's just me and Pinterest. So we'll put like some lines, a dot at the pinnacle of that, and then dots coming out from those lines. And we can make them whatever shape we want. So we can do multiples of them. We can do them curved, whatever we want. So that makes sort of a fireworksy kind of shape as well. So we're going to combine this with that other one. The other one is more of a pattern. But they're in my saved in my Pinterest page. If you guys want to see it, I'm going to turn on my light. I have chosen a black piece of paper which kind of looks kind of greenish because I'm on a yellow background, but that's okay. And I'm going to do it with an orange neon gel pen just because. So we're going to start with 1 here like that, and then it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then coming out from there, we're going to do a line and a dot, a line and a dot, line and a dot. And then the V shape. And then coming out from that, it's this. We just add 2 more to that. Simple, just like that. I'm going to do a few of these, and then I'm going to do some of those other ones, and we're just going to call it a day. I think I want my circles, these dots, I think I want closer into my big circle. Like that. And then simple pattern. Maybe one over here. Okay. I'll put one here. And one there, I think. Great big one. I put too many dots. That's all right. Doesn't matter. Oh, I've stuck my hand in it. I've made some extra marks that I don't want, but that's okay. I'll come back with that other pattern and make some fireworky looking marks. And maybe one more down here. That. And then let's do some of these other ones. The other ones went like this. We'll do a spot and with something like that. And we'll just keep doing those all over the page until we fill it up the way we want to. Let's do one going this way. We'll just keep adding bits and blobs until we feel like that looks good. Who knows? Oh, alarm. Must mean it's time for me to clean up and get ready for work. Okay. Well, I'm almost done anyways. I think I just want one more right in here somewhere coming outward. That's what the sky looks like at the end of a fireworks show. Just kind of all of them going every which direction, right? I think that looks pretty good. Maybe one more. Something in here. Like that. And maybe one more something coming out of here. can have just some random sprinkles of assorted glittery bits all over the place. I think will help. There we go. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Quick, easy one. This was Deboops. Let me write these down. Deeboops and oops and Starzie. There we go. Deboops and Starzie. And a bit of happy 4th of July to everyone. And even if you're not in the United States, I'm sure you enjoy fireworks. So this is good for that too. I will see you guys on the next video, whenever that will be. I have got to get ready for work. You heard my alarm. That is the last hoo-ha, last hurrah. That's why I put alarms, because otherwise I will get distracted and be completely late for work. So I gotta go have myself some lunch, put on my shoes, get ready for work. I will see you guys on the next video. Go out and do something nice for today. Do something nice for someone. Make the world a better place. One person, one smile at a time. I will go to work and try that myself. And I'll see you later. Bye.